Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest news about the DJI Matrice 400A drone. If you're a drone enthusiast or just curious about cutting-edge technology, this is the video for you. Let's start with an overview. The DJI Matrice 400A is an upcoming heavy-lift drone designed to potentially replace the Matrice 600. This new drone promises to bring exciting advancements to the world of aerial technology. One of the standout features is the battery. The Matrice 400A boasts a 20,254 mAh battery with 48.23 V and 977 Wh energy. This powerful battery ensures long flight times and reliable performance, making it ideal for demanding tasks. Whether you're conducting industrial inspections, surveying large areas, or capturing cinematic footage, the Matrice 400A's battery won't let you down. The high-capacity battery also means fewer interruptions for recharging, allowing you to focus on your work. When it comes to payload capacity, the Matrice 400A doesn't disappoint. It's estimated to have a payload capacity of around 10 kilograms, 22 pounds. This means it can carry heavy equipment and perform a wide range of applications. From transporting essential supplies to remote locations to carrying professional-grade cameras, the Matrice 400A is built to handle it all. This capability makes it suitable for industries like construction, agriculture, filmmaking, and emergency response. Imagine being able to lift and transport critical equipment during a rescue mission or capture stunning aerial shots with heavy camera rigs. The E in the name suggests that there may be more than one variant of the Matrice 400 series. This could mean different versions tailored to specific needs and industries, offering versatility and customization. Imagine having a variant specifically optimized for agricultural tasks, or one designed for emergency response scenarios. The possibilities are endless. Multiple variants could provide solutions for various industries, making the Matrice 400 series a versatile and adaptable choice for professionals. The drone's FCC ID indicates that it is in the final stages before launch. This is an exciting development, as it means the Matrice 400A could be hitting the market soon. The FCC certification process is a critical step, ensuring that the drone meets all regulatory requirements for safety and performance. The approval also signifies that the drone has undergone rigorous testing to ensure its reliability and effectiveness in real-world scenarios. As for the launch timeline, the Matrice 400A is expected to be released later this year. We can't wait to see what DJI has in store for us with this new drone. Given DJI's track record for innovation and quality, the Matrice 400A is likely to set new standards in the drone industry. DJI has consistently delivered top-tier drones that push the boundaries of technology, and the Matrice 400A is expected to continue that legacy. In summary, the DJI Matrice 400A is an upcoming heavy-lift drone with a powerful 20,254 mAh battery, an estimated payload capacity of 10 kilograms, and potential multiple variants. With its FCC ID in the final stages, the launch is expected later this year. Whether you're in construction, agriculture, filmmaking, or emergency response, the Matrice 400A has the potential to revolutionize how you work. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this latest development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.